Hello, and today I'm at Cubby Commercials on the Alcester Road at Portway, and I'm pleased to be showing you this 2013 on a 62 plate Vauxhall Movano medium wheelbase, and this is the chassis cab. It has a 2.3 litre diesel engine, and I'll start by showing you the interior. It's got this lovely open cabin, which is very light due to all the very large windows. And one thing that must be mentioned, which is quite nice, is that this is a 6-speed manual gearbox, which just makes it that little bit easier for driving, especially along the motorway. About the seating, there's armrests for the driver, which is nice and more comfortable again when cruising along the motorway, and it is a 3-seat cabin, which makes it that little bit more practical. There's lots of leg room for everyone inside. For actual practicalities, there's lots of cup holders and lots of little cubby holes everywhere, which is nice. A good sized glove box, which is quite deep, and again, good sized side storage bins. But like I said, there's lots of pockets dotted around everywhere, which actually you don't see that often in vans, and it really is practical to just have so much little spaces all around to put everyday items you're going to carry. It's got a nice little tidy stereo there as well.
When she said the rough band, remember what she said they used? Well, anything that makes a noise, saucepans.
And as you'd expect, driving position is fantastic, nice and high up, and you really can see everything. These are good vans to drive and quite popular here in the UK. As for the outside, with it being the chassis cab, you can have quite a good freedom of choice of what you put on the back here. And with it being the medium wheelbase, it's a good size. Chassis cabs give you quite a cool little chance to have a look on the inside and see under the body what you don't normally get a chance to see on vehicles. So we thought it'd be a good one to show you here on our channel. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.